Good morning. It is 8:30 a.m. and I am already dressed and ready to work today. Now my studio is in my home, so technically I don't really have to get dressed up to go to work, and I don't consider this being dressed up, but I feel 10 times better when I get up, work out, take a shower, and get ready for my work day, just like I would be if I was going to leave the house. I didn't put any mascara on, but I didn't think you guys would mind. So I thought it would be fun today to show you a little bit more of the behind the scenes in my studio. I'm going to be packing some orders this morning, and then also doing a bunch of designs since I do have new releases coming out tomorrow. So I want to make sure that all the little things and some leftover stickers that I need to make get done today so I can have those out and ready for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing this morning is checking Etsy to see how many orders I have and if I need to print and cut any stickers. Now I do have a wall behind me of already pre-cut stickers, so a lot of times if you order from my shop, sometimes you can get your stickers sent out in the same exact day that you ordered them, and that's because I am like half ready to ship. Now when I do find that I have a sticker that needs to be cut, I try to bulk cut it, so that way the next time somebody orders that sticker, I will have it ready for me. So that is my process for this morning. So I do have one order that wanted one of each of all the mason jar saving stickers, so I know that I don't have all of them, so I'm gonna have to cut a bunch of those this morning. Now, if you guys are an Etsy sticker shop owner or you guys use the Silhouette cutting machine, I found these NiCapa cutting mats on Amazon. They are so much cheaper and I think better quality than the regular Silhouette cutting mats. I wish I had found them a lot sooner. So that is a little tip for you guys. Definitely pick these up. They're so much cheaper than the regular cutting mats. I wish I would have found them years ago. Alright, so I'm done with all of my orders, so I'm going to take a break and head on over to the post office. I also need to get some of my errands done today, and I want to stop by Michael's. So maybe if I'm brave enough, I'll take you along with me in the store, and then I'll show you what I got afterwards. It is raining like crazy outside, so I have a scarf here. It's the first scarf of fall. It definitely feels like it's already fall here in New England, so let's get going. right, now I'm going to start designing, which is actually my favorite part of the whole Etsy process. I get in a zone when I am designing, so it can be hours and hours that I just sit at my computer and design. So I put my phone next to me, so every 30 minutes I get up and walk around if I need to get a snack or get water. It's just a constant reminder for me to just stay focused for the 30 minutes and get to designing, and then also to make sure that I get up and get a little bit of exercise and not just sit in this chair all day, which can happen a lot. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna work on is finishing up all of the Hallmark Christmas stickers. I had a request for this yesterday to make all of the Hallmark movies that they're coming out with for Christmas, and I thought it'd be a fun idea, especially since I typically forget all of the Hallmark movies, and oh my gosh guys, they came out with 36 brand new Christmas movies that they're going to be coming out with starting with October, and then obviously all the way until December. I think that the last one is actually on December 29th, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish those off. And I also had a request to do a mini sheet of all of the Halloween bonbons, sweet cakes, and Johnny cakes, so I'm going to finish that up. They also requested a Halloween Ellie, which I totally forgot to do, so we are going to work on that today. Hopefully we'll have that ready for the 5 p.m. release tonight. I do have a ton of very cute ideas for Ellie, so we'll see if I can get that done. All right, so I was able to finish those guys off, so I have a few new releases for tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. Now I also want to work on November sticker bundle, so I will give you a little bit of a sneak peek. If you guys are a sticker bundle subscriber, you might want to fast forward so you guys don't see what we are working on. Patty, oh my goodness, maybe we need a Patty break. All right, you guys just saw a little sneak peek at November sticker bundle, sweet and cozy. I hope you guys are just as excited about it as I am. So I thought I would take a break from designing. I did go to Michael's and I thought I'd share what I got. I wasn't that brave. I did take a little bit of footage, so hopefully I'll be able to put that in, maybe with some music, because I didn't really talk while I was in there. It was actually very crowded, and the reason is that they had all of their scrapbooking like on sale for 60% off. So I was at the paper section and I got a ton of 12 by 12 papers. I've been wanting to get these for a long time now because I wanted to do more of like a pastel color theme for my Instagram. I've been doing just a white background on my Instagram pictures, but I thought that using some of these like pastel color papers might be nice. Every single one of these, and they are nice quality, very thick cardstock, was only 20 cents. I think that sale is going on until Sunday, so if you guys want to pick some up, definitely stock up because that's a great deal. They also were having a sale on all of their 8 by 11 paper. This was $2, I think. So they had a ton of them. You guys know I just love pastel colors, so I picked up the Dreamy one. Now they were also having 60% off of all of their storage items as well. And guys, my cart was filled with all of the storage items because I love organizing. But I put most of those things back, but I could not resist these guys. I actually have an order from China with like a ton of these. They're similar. I haven't gotten them yet. It's almost been a month, so I really wanted to just get some, and these were such a great deal. It was $2 for 3 of these guys, so that was actually even cheaper than the ones that I got from China. Now these ones actually seem like they're not as deep as the ones that I'm getting in the mail. Once I get those in, maybe I'll do another studio vlog so you guys can see the those. I got these to hold all of my decals, so I'm going to make dividers so I can see them. Right now they're actually in an acrylic container, just kind of laying flat, and I have so many decals now that they're kind of stacking on top of each other, so I'm hoping that these can work. I'm also getting a couple new items in store, so I think that the ones from China will work well for that stuff. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. And then the last thing that I got from Michaels is these resealable bags. Now I actually kind of like the ones that just have like the sticker tape and you seal it that way, but I thought that these might be nice so that anybody that gets whatever I put in these can reuse them as well. So it has a little zipper, like Ziploc pouch up at the top here. This is actually going to be for some new items that I'm making for the shop as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my very first studio vlog. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me in my office. If you guys want to see more videos like this or have any requests, definitely let me know down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!